Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you are tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you guys for always making our chance to watch my videos. So guys, today I'm in Abia State again and I'm passing through Umueze, and I'm going to take you guys down to Udeagbala. From there, I'm going to take you guys to Osisioma areas, the area around Osisioma. Yes, I might even show you some other places in Abia if I have the chance to. It's a 6 minutes video, so kindly watch the video down to the end and you see how Abia has changed. Yes, Abia has been undergoing changes. You're going to see how Abia has been changing. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly click the subscribe button and then the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the video. So no much talking, just kindly watch the video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. If you have subscribed already, thanks a whole lot for doing that, and kindly watch the video down to the end like I said.